Okay, very good. Hi, people. I'm quickly going to show you in Team Aquila, what we are doing is we need to help sometimes the people below us for some other reason that that person might not be there and his account is not active. So if I'm just going to quickly share my screen to you guys, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to use the profile of Jesse DeVos because what's happening, if you guys can look, this is, for example, where you are on the Zoom, on your matrix. Now, what's happening, this person is overseas. He cannot pay at the moment his $100 to reactivate his AMB. So now what happened, the funds moved from the person past him to Jesse. Now what's going to happen, she's going to activate this person's, from that $100, she's going to activate 120. She's going to make him green. She's activating, and then immediately the funds is going to come back to her. Now, at this stage, Jesse will be losing $120 because she needs to activate him with 120, and then the money goes back to her. But it's fine. This is what we are here for in this team, is to help people getting on with life. If it happens 2 or 3 times, then we know this person is doing it deliberately. But some cases we get like this where we need to do it. So if I go to the Grace profile, I'm quickly signing in. And you guys will see this is where Jesse DeVos is at the moment. Her account is active, her AMB. But if she goes to a genealogy and she clicks on the genealogy, just always got to wait for this. So while, come on, system. All right. Now you guys can see Sarel Botha shows green here. But that only means that his profile is active. It does not show that his AMB is active. So if you're going to see, so this guy paid this money. It went past Sarel to Jesse DeVos. Now you will also be able to go and check in your ledger. If you click on the ledger, you will see that the money came, there's the $50. Where is it? There is it. That the money came from the person below. So in order now also to check if you go into your genealogy, or sorry, in your wallet, and you go and check activate downline, she's going to go to the level below her, and she's going to find the user Sarel. Now Sarel's email is that Aquila's, and you will find that he's not activated. Okay, so what we're doing, Jesse's got the $200 in her account. She's going to activate his AMB1. That's what's needed. And it's going to do, and we activate. Click. We're going to click activate, and we say confirm. Okay, Jesse says digits van your email. Emma?
798
798
989.
989. And there you guys can see what happened. The money, the $200 went back. She should have only paid 120. The 120 from the 200 came back, and immediately she received again the $100. And now you will find it in your ledger. If you go and check in your ledger, the money went, she paid that person, and immediately there's the 120 that she paid, and the money came back to her. This is the way now, if you go and look again at your activated downlines, and she goes to that person's name, You can see that his AMB is now active. All right, people, this is very easy, and this is the way we do it to help our people in our downlines in circumstances. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes we need to help somebody else in need. In this case, this person can now sit back. He is overseas, and he can still enjoy what is happening to him. All right, in the grace community. The wheel always turns. If you help somebody else, the wheel will come back and you will be helped again. All right. Thank you.